Hey gang, Carl Galler with Carl Galler Builds here, about to show you another project that I'm getting into. Well, I got a bunch of other projects going on, but you wouldn't think that I'm actually a realtor, and my full-time job is a realtor. I've got 3 or 4 transactions going on right now, and which are going along well. But I got a bunch of other stuff going on, so buckle up and watch the show. But if you need a realtor, give me a call. Okay, guys, Carl Galler coming back to you again from Casa Candiso, lovely Casa Candiso on the water. As if I don't have enough on my plate, we have decided that the time is now to replace these sliding glass doors, at least these guys here. This one is a pocket door, which is very interesting. It goes back into this wall, which is a cementatious wall, but it's block here, and then you can hear it's hollow here. So I put these columns up about, 5 years ago, and I did a really good job of putting them in because they're tight. So we got to remove them, cut them around it with a zip tie, got it, a zip saw, whatever you call it, and getting ready to pull that guy out. This is made of actually like fiberglass, so it's pretty strong. And I have marked this wall here to cut with my masonry bit. Let's see how that goes. I'm using one of these diamond cut-off wheels. I've used it before. Hopefully it won't cut my fingers off. And let's see how it goes. I guess I should get a mask. It's okay. So this is a proper stucco mesh. Eureka. Oh. It is time for the reveal. And here you go. How cool is that? These are 1962 doors, which are pretty cool. Let's see how they go. Right back into the wall. I was leaning on these doors one day, talking to Candy and just leaning, and all of a sudden it popped in, and I said, holy crap, I think I broke the door. So tomorrow the boys come. The install team, we actually got the doors from, it can't be a good project without a little blood, from Home Depot, and I will let you know how they turn out. All right, so I took out the studs that were here, so the installers will have absolutely clear access. The new door track, because it's a hurricane rated door, comes out about at least another inch and a half, so there'll be plenty of room for them to put the new track in, and they have plenty of area here. I think they come out another couple of inches, so that'll work out fine. And then I'll work on putting this back together. I don't know if I'm going to be able to make this flush, or if I have a little bump out here. If there's a little bump out, it's no big deal, but I'm hoping that I'll be able to get this flush again. with new stucco work. I'm also going to, when they finish the installation, I'm going to, besides getting rid of that old mildew there, this is just, I mean, it is plasterboard from 1962, kind of banged up back there. But I'm going to work on kind of waterproofing this